I'm from Macedonia. I'm in the fashion workshop of this festival. I really love it there because I really want to study fashion in the future, and it really helps me learn what I should do and what are the pros and the cons of fashion.
Called 1 Minute Film. Right now we're in a group with a few more. People. We just visualize what we want to do and how we're going to do it, and I can't wait to film and for you guys to see.
This is a great possibility to meet new friends, open a new culture for you, and watch new movies what I can't watch in Russia.